In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy row from sheet to sheet using Google Apps Script on Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet. You can use a brand new spreadsheet or an existing one, but it helps to have two tabs ready, one for the source data and one for the destination. In this example, the script will look for a sheet named Source and another sheet named Target. So make sure your sheet tab names match those labels, or you will need to update the names in the code. Next, go to the top menu and click Extensions, then choose App Script. This opens the script editor in a new tab. Inside the editor, you will see a default function called MyFunction. Click into that function so your cursor is inside the code area, and replace what is there with your own script. Now type in the copy row function. You will create a function called copy row that grabs the active spreadsheet, then selects the source sheet and the target sheet by name. After that, you will define which row to copy. In this case, the source row is set to 2, which is a common choice because row 1 often contains headers. The script then checks the last column in the source sheet, builds a one-row range starting in column 1, and prepares it for copying. To avoid overwriting data in the target sheet, the script finds the next empty row by taking the last used row and adding 1. It then creates a target range starting in column 1 of that next row. Finally, it uses copy to, which is useful when copying within the same spreadsheet because it transfers values, formulas, and formatting together. Once your code is ready, click the Run button, the play icon near the top of the app script editor. The first time you run it, Google will ask for authorization. Follow the prompts. If you see an OAuth warning screen, click Advanced, then choose the option to proceed to the project and continue to grant permission so the script can access your spreadsheet. After the script runs successfully, go back to your Google Sheet. Click your Target Sheet tab to confirm the row was added. Then switch back to the source sheet if you want to review what was copied. That covers everything you need to know.